Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working issue on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now CarPlay is not working, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically to fix this issue on your iPhone, you have to simply restart both of your devices, like your iPhone and car. So guys, you have to simply restart your iPhone and restart your CarPlay, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply turn off Siri and turn it on again. So guys, turn off Siri and turn on again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is you have to simply forget the connection for one time, and after this re-establish your connection again with your CarPlay on your Apple device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, and that is you have to simply open the general section and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. After this, go back and then scroll it below and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network setting of your device for one time. After this, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Then go back and now simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.